Today we're gonna be doing some work at the countryside, and the suburb we're going to is called Razorback. It's a nice country area with all the acreages and very nice houses. We're gonna be spray painting ceilings, walls, timber, and then walls we're gonna do roll after we spray paint all the undercoat. Basically that will be it. So yeah, countryside today. So this is the house where we're gonna do the job. This is the area we're gonna spray today, all the undercoat and the ceilings timber as well. Gonna use Graco Mark IV. Tip size is gonna be 514. It's a green tip size tip. It's for fine spraying. The reason I'm using that tip is saving on the paint. So I use bigger tip, it's gonna use more paint. But smaller tip, low pressure, better finish, just enough paint what it's needed. Before I start spraying, and vacuum clean all the floors, especially underneath the skirtings, so there's no any dust left underneath the skirting. The reason why, when you spray, all the dust will come out on the skirting and the wall, so it's gotta be cleaned perfectly. Before you start spraying with your spray gun, for everybody out there who doesn't know it, I believe there are people who know what needs to be done. For all the people that don't know what needs to be done, is you need to move this little ball in here. As you can see, there's a little ball inside here, and it's stuck there with the glue, but it's not glue, it's paint. A little bit of all of paint, and that gets stuck. So what you need to move it in so it's loose. So use something like that, and water comes in. You see, it's loose now. I've seen so many people hitting on this for the paint to go through, but this is how you're supposed to do it. Hopefully I will help out to some people out there who don't know this, but yeah, it needs to be loose, that little ball inside there. I'm about to start spraying top coat on ceilings. For this time we're gonna use Dulux Professional Ceiling Flat Paint. It's pretty good. Not good as a Tredex, but yeah, it's a holiday here in Australia, so I had to go with this one. Otherwise it will be Tredex flat as usual. So yeah, we finish all the undercoat. As you can see. Now we're gonna do ceiling top coat and then timber.
And now we're gonna cut in 2 times all the walls before we start applying 2 top coats of paint. We are moving towards the last phase of this project. To do so, we are applying 2 coats of thermal gingeral paint on the walls in all the rooms of the house.